It's misplaced because people think finance ministry is mainly about finance. Finance ministry is about the economy. And I don't think it's a magic of monetary policy or this, that, another with which he's going to fix it. There's no turnkey cure in here. But it is mainly about economics, and the fact that Manmohan is one of the finest economists we have is an enormous source of strength for his thinking. I mean, what we are discussing now, the taxes, the subsidies, the role of different kinds of subsidies, the importance of economic growth.
He perhaps understands it very well.
He understands it extremely well, but he is hemmed in by political politics. So I would think that this is something that is likely to be very beneficial, but it will really depend on how the politics is managed.
Do you think as a nation we are a little obsessed with growth?
We're totally obsessed with growth. I think growth is very important, but we have to understand why growth is very important. I mean, India still is the second fastest growing economy in the world. Growth is important because it generates resources for human beings, individuals, as well as for the government for purposes of public revenue. So I think we shouldn't take a laid-back attitude. We should try to, even though we may be second in the world, we don't relax. In terms of the vocality of issues, the moment the government wants to do something about employment of the unemployed people or food subsidy for the very poor people.
That's the first time they're reminded of deficit, it seems.
Everyone suddenly jumps up in the hall for the time for fiscal responsibilities come. But much more is spent on fuel.
That's right.
Much more on fertilizers. We let go of enormous amount of taxes on the only country in the world which doesn't tax precious metal being imported.
It seems that the standoff between India Inc. and the government has worsened. They feel the government has become anti-business community. At least that's what the perception is. Do you think
I think that perception is being hyped, actually. Not everyone has said that, by the way. You know, I think the business community has to do a lot more on many things, and also have to give right kind of encouragement. We are not going in for an economy where the business communities will be eliminated and there will be a world of socialism. That's not the case.
Do you think then the criticism coming from India Inc. is perhaps a little unwarranted?
Quite a lot of it is unwarranted in being if it's detached from everybody else. I'm not against the pointing out that the growth cannot be on an autopilot. You have to do something about it.